Right now, I'm mad. Take a good seat. Yo, fans. No, this is a serious matter and a serious issue now. Someone rape a boy if he dead. The government fi sit to it that say, no fi go to prison and go eat government food. Someone the boy fi get jungle justice. Someone the boy can't tame we not trust no boy. Someone need to get burn up, brother. Just burn out in acid and just melt it, brother. Brother, you not deserve to get buried, brother. Brother, you not deserve to go to jail or prison. None of them, brother. Brother, as a big man like you, and a big man level, what kind of loose meds that you hold for a raper? 8-year-old child. Brother, I was taking my brother. Someone can't manage marijuana and go and smoke it, brother. Brother, I want to do them thing there, brother. Brother, start mash up the country, brother. You know make Jamaica look bad, brother. Brother, them thing they are serious matter. A jungle justice that free reach. Boy, the police them just let you out. And the people them just deal with them, brother. Big man thing, brother. Cause born on the heart. But a big man level, brother. What kind of loose meds that you hold? Eh? Brother, you know say we can't trust in no boy, brother. What kind of thing that, brother? Sit down and pray, brother. Brother, me always say all man a rape all goat and them thing there, brother. What kind of loose meds that, brother? Brother, on the straight up on the ground, brother. People who can't afford for mash up a country. People who can't afford to make a country look bad and make other people that think bad about a country. As when I say in a video where there no country no perfect. Because every country have them now and then problem. But Jamaica good where the whole of the tourists them love. Brother, as some jungle justice you need, brother. Wire for you, brother. You know if you go to prison. Brother, you say you brother, you say when I go to prison, brother. They man them for deal with the pana. You see me? What kind of loose meds that you hold, brother? People, who tell me the truth now? How a big man like that fear rape of the local kid? Who talk to me now, straight Jamaica? Cause I premeditate the thing, you know. We don't want none of them things in our country. The government look into them things deep. Right now the government make the people them doing under jungle justice style. And everybody have to live under the rule. You see me? Because we not like that some of them. Some whole heap of look loose thing and go on a yard, me not too like. But Jamaica is my place though. But some man, brother, man thing, brother. You not deserve to live, brother. You not deserve to live on the earth, brother. You not deserve to live on the land that we got created for we, dog. Big man thing. That's why Cape Town and Sizzler burn out someone so. Someone for go. Someone for move. Someone for back up. Loose meds that. You see me? Load the local kids them. And make the kids them grow our future. You know sir right now all of you there, where molest. They go affect him brain if him really realize a big 8-year-old a big youth have sense matter of fact. So it go eventually affect all the youth brain and them thing there. Brother, understand mash up the generation. Start mash up the future. You see me? Brother, look how much woman they are road, brother. Brother, let me tell you this. From a barn, me a gallis. And brother, tell you this. I done with them wildlife there. But I say wild same way. But me done with the one bag of running up and done with woman and them thing there. Brother, I'm telling you straight. I one woman me keep. Brother, some man I me call him would let them, brother. Someone who would forget cut off, brother. You see me? Chop off, clean. Cause now one of these them meds. When they now meditate. A reality me attack right now. Positive thing me attack right now. Straight. Alright now me mad now. You see me? Because the people them forget all you and a boy. Yeah man, them forget you. You boy, them forget you. You see me? This is not laughing matter or smiling matter. This is not funny. Think what you do in life before you hack. Sit down. Think what you're doing in life. You heard you them future. Now stop talking about that. I don't like what go on. Brother, right now you have the whole Jamaica mad because of you. The whole country mad because of you, boy. We are raped. Mad. Let me tell you this. Look how much blood clot woman they are for tree. Look how much blood clot woman I walk up and down downtown. Hey brother, I force me when I'm video and after I cuss out someone bad out to me mad. On a big man level. Look how much woman they are for tree. Look how much woman they downtown. Look how much woman they cross road. Brother, we not go walk up and down the street, brother, and go look woman, brother. Brother, what kind of pre that? What kind of meds that, brother, for your 8-year-old, brother? Brother, watch it in a brother. Lava. Fire. You hear me I tell you? Let go them lose meds, say, brother. See me? Big up the man them street in the dog. Big up the woman them too. Wait. It's not all the man alone a rape, all woman. Yeah, all woman. Someone have to stop it too. Because when you just make it look bad like a man alone and do things. Some other woman have to tap it. Can have rape mentality too. But you now woman, no man now look into it and prune it deep. You have to tap it. You see me? Brother, woman, you have to stop it. You see me? Stop molest the youths them. And stop mash up them future. You see me? I don't like what I go on. A whole heap of loose thing I go on a yard, man. When if you get straightened up, the country just come together and straighten up certain things. You see me? Certain things need to get straightened up. You see me? Yeah, man. Certain things need to get straightened up. Yeah. Someone a boy. Dirty heart. Dirty mind. Corrupt. Enough live. Now mash up the local generation what we have. Rape a boy with rape a blood in you. Lava. Chop! Big man thing. Jamaican people, now tell me what you think. If I lie, me I tell people, I'm going to put a poll on the video. So I can vote for it. People, if I lie, me I tell. I can't even talk. Yo. I'm out.